Hey friends, this is Tahir Hussain, and today I want to talk about what is cryptocurrency, what is stock markets, and where should we make and invest more money. What is a good idea? And there's no straightforward answer to this question. So the stock market basically usually depends on the revenue of the company and what it's worth, generally speaking, and its high risk and high returns in some cases, and it depends on a lot of strategies that you have in place. Now, cryptocurrency, on the other hand, is a very fragile, raw, new market, which is still an immature market because, keep in mind, I'm comparing this with the stock market because still has a long way to go. So if you do not get heavy-hearted and can take the risk and the chances, go ahead and get into the crypto space. It's a very interesting space, high risk as well. So keep that in mind and get into that. And either side, you could make millions of dollars a day, you could lose millions of dollars a day. So choose wisely. Know what is your exit strategy, not just the entry strategy. When are you going to exit? And is your strategy based on real data? Are you around people who have done it before and who are helping you do it? So that's important because when the cryptocurrencies go down, the heartbeat increases. So you don't want to be in that situation that your heartbeat increases because you want to know what your exact strategy is. So your strategy is more important than the industry you're going to put your money in. So choose wisely, follow some mentors who have done that before.